The state's vaccine supply crisis is far from over. Right now, New York City has less than 20,000 first doses remaining. Mayor de Blasio says the city has the capacity to do 500,000 vaccinations a week, but this week we're only expecting 100,000 new doses. And that forced the mayor to put the city's new mega sites at Yankee Stadium and Citi Field on hold. They will not open until the city gets a weekly supply that is double what's expected this week. News 4's Andrew Siff is live at Citi Field to explain what this means. Andrew.
Hi, Brianna. Yeah, here's the challenge. They set up a stadium like Citi Field to use as a vaccine distribution site because of the capacity. They could vaccinate 5,000 to 7,000 people per day here. Instead, that number is 0 because they simply don't have enough vaccine. Just 2 weeks after begging the state for permission to vaccinate more people, Mayor Bill de Blasio confirms there's now a different crisis in the city.
If there's not more supply and there's not more flexibility, we keep having to either not provide new appointments or reschedule ones that exist, and that's not fair to anyone.
So much for Citi Field and Yankee Stadium as mega hubs for the vaccine. There isn't enough to go around. The city with only 19,000 first doses left. They've so far administered 628,000 shots, far below the January goal of 1 million vaccinations.
We could have reached at least additional 100,000 more New Yorkers last week if the supply had been there.
News of the city's vaccine shortage reached the White House, where today the press secretary didn't make any promises about a bigger shipment ahead.
That's something, of course, that our team is working through, and we want to ensure that we are working closely with governors.
Governor Cuomo, who today said he'll soon loosen economic restrictions because COVID numbers are improving, sounded optimistic about vaccines.
They're increasing production of the vaccine, and they're going to give states projection allocations so states can plan. Right now, we go week to week, and we don't know what we're going to get next week.
But once the new vaccine shipments arrive, there are other challenges. The Association for a Better New York with a new poll, 57% will take the shot ASAP, but 10% only after someone they know gets it, and 14% are not sure, with 4% refusing to take the vaccine.
We wanted to understand how to deal with vaccine hesitancy here in the city.
And again, this was supposed to be the week that Citi Field was open as a mega vaccination site. It is now postponed indefinitely until the city gets at least double what it's currently receiving of vaccine. We're live at Citi Field. Andrew Siff, News 4 New York.